Hey, today I'm going to show you how to categorize review responses that you might get from customer surveys or other feedback from your users, customers, or people you interact with. Oftentimes, you'll end a survey with a question that has an other field where text can be left to describe why they're buying a product, why they're leaving, why they're going on their way, or otherwise. In this instance, I have examples of a customer survey response from a company that's asking its customers why they're leaving their product and why they're canceling a subscription. This is a common use case, and we can use PromptLoop to analyze each item and understand whether the customer in particular might be someone you could turn around or get in touch with. So you see on the left, we have 1, 2 other questions, and then 3 is the text field. So I have 50 or so responses about why a particular customer left or churned. And then to set up PromptLoop, I went ahead and added a category: general, team size, pricing, or features, as to why, like a one-word description of why each one of these instances of customer churn happened. So again, did this quick manually, and now we can use PromptLoop to automate the rest of our column, even if there's thousands or tens of thousands of responses, all in Google Sheets. So the first step is to activate the extension in this sheet. So I went ahead and did that, and now I can start typing in the formula. Again, I'll see suggestions as to what to do here. So I'm going to select the input examples. Again, the inputs are these first 10 or so formulas or responses that I have here. Then the outputs are the labels that I just did. I'm going to make this a relative reference just on this column, because I'm going to do it again for the next bit of information. And then lastly, I'm going to select column D, where I want to process all the rest of these responses. So I'll let that load. And then again, I'm going to copy that over, and we'll do the same in column I. So whether it's a likely reversal, a little bit harder, but we can give yes or no I didn't change this. So I'm going to type in, again, PromptLoop. I'll select the inputs here. Here, and then the targets, which is again our input. So again, this unable to save information that we needed to. So that sounds like a teaching problem. That's onboarding. So it looks like the model categorized that correctly. What we can do now is drag this down and repeat this activity on all the text, regardless of typos. Again, if someone uses something like cost, charge rate, pricing, billing, it's going to know and understand that that's all getting categorized as pricing. So it'll take a second to load here as it goes through the hundreds of words. And then we're going to end this with an automated output for response. And the responses, again, are based off of the input examples we provided. So we want to get more detailed. If we wanted to use different categories, all we would do is replace these. All the formulas would recalculate and get us the answer we want. And then with the fixed reference, those inputs and outputs are locked, so that the exact same model parameters will run for your entire column. So again, this is a quick way to reduce the amount of time reading through and categorizing reviews, and you can start to do more with the data you already have from surveys. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to learn more, get access to the add-on, or reach out to us for help, promptloop.com, and you can find us on the Google Workspace store. Thank you.